Well, I just got this new GoPro 9 Black, and I'm testing it out to see how well it works, or how well I can work it. Something that we just purchased a few weeks ago was this Coleman scooter. It's a little 200cc scooter, and we bought it to take it with us camping this summer. I thought it would be a great little asset to, you know, run up to the store and run around the campgrounds and that kind of thing. So I'm gonna see if I can start it up this morning. I'll video it, and then we'll ride it around the block. So I'm gonna see how well I can do my recording here. First, I'm trying to figure out how to turn it on over here. Then down at the bottom, you've got to turn the gas on, and I pull the choke on, and then I'm going to give it a few pulls and see what happens here. There you go. The on switch is over here. And then you adjust the choke a little at a time. Okay, so the choke is off. Okay, there you go. We went for a short ride, and oh, that little thing runs beautiful. Perfect. So now I'm going to take the video and go see how well we did on our recording.